I'm Kaylen.
Hi, I'm Atia.
I'm Kaylen.
I'm Riley.
And we will be doing the Boston Massacre.
All the new tax laws were driving the colonists crazy. The British and colonists were not getting along. There was a meeting held at Benjamin Franklin's home.
Hi, James, Thomas. Let's get this meeting going.
Okay, let's figure out how we can stop all these taxes.
Yes, no taxation without representation.
We need to discuss this snapback.
I think we should ask everyone not to buy stamp goods.
What good will that do?
It will let King George and all of his soldiers know they can't boss us around.
Okay.
Let's go. Back in England, King George and the Parliament were discussing the taxes.
I hear all these new tax laws are driving the colonists crazy.
Yeah, but we don't care. They need to pay the taxes. They need to pay for the French and Indian War.
We don't want to make them too mad.
How about we repeal the stamp tax law?
Then how's the tax going to get paid? Well, we will make them think we're listening. We'll give them well not force other tax laws. How will we make sure the taxes are going to get paid?
Yes, the colonists don't seem to be wanting to do what we asked.
We will send over more soldiers to make sure the taxes are paid. Good idea. We want to show them who the boss is.
Yes, and that we make the laws in which they have to obey.
Colonists were getting even angrier about the taxes, and now we need even more soldiers in the colonies.
These soldiers, I mean bloody backs, are all over the place. They are making me mad.
We have to find a way to have a say in all the colonies.
We don't have to listen to King George. I agree.
Let's get some other sons of liberty together and let the soldiers know how we feel.
And daughters.
Later that evening,
You deserve this.
This is our church!
And for thinking you are the street.
down the street, an argument was happening.
We don't deserve this. You bloody bags. Go home. We're not leaving until you pay your taxes.
We don't want King George telling us what to do.
Stop or we'll shoot. Fire, soldiers, fire. This fight was known as the Boston Massacre. Several people died that day. After this, an uneasy calm settled over the 13 colonies. The